Hi, and welcome to Heidi's Home. It is pretty early in the morning, and I'm starting my day off with my new devotional books. I have really been enjoying reading some scripture and just a good devotion in the morning. It is a very positive way to start my day. Now it is time to make some breakfast, and I'm starting off with some hash browns. These are just shredded frozen hash browns, and I'm using my new electric skillet that I got for Christmas. Actually have been using it all week, and I love it. Now I am browning up a couple rolls of hot sausage. I'm going to make some gravy and some biscuits and some eggs, and we are going to have a very hearty breakfast this morning. With every big meal comes dishes, and so it is time to get the dishes all squared away. I realize it is kind of early, but if I'm given the opportunity while I'm in the kitchen, I will go ahead and preload my coffee pot for the morning. Now I am filling out my meal board on my fridge. Right now, I have not been to the grocery store yet, so this week is still hanging in the balance, but I am going to the store. But I am writing down items that I know that I do need, and I've also been using this board to write down anything that we may have scheduled on any of the particular days, so that I know when I make the meal plan, oh, wait a minute, we have a Valentine party on that day, so I don't have to cook. So it's a reminder for me. Not only do I wipe down the top of my stove, but I also try to clean the fronts and the sides because things seem to get there that you don't even realize actually get there. So with my stove being white, you can see everything that ends up on it. So I always make sure I give it a good tidy. Now that I got my load of laundry in, my first load today, I am going to go ahead and take out the garbages, and I'm going to wipe down my trash can real good using Pine Sol spray as well as a paper towel because obviously I don't want to use my good rags on the trash can. And then I'm also going to put a new bin liner in, and it'll be nice and fresh for the week. Now on this particular day, I'm just spot mopping with my spray mop because I am getting company later on this week, and I will get out what I like to call the big mega mop, and I will give it an even deeper clean before my company arrives. So I still have a few balloons and items up from Ronnie's birthday party. So I am deflating balloons and cleaning off this table. Now I am loading the mini fridge, and I'm also going to sort out some of my mugs and pull out all of the ones that pertain to Valentine's Day. Now I'm going to treat my wood on my table with Restora Finish. This is something that I have been using for years. And if you have any dry looking wood or older furniture, this really kind of adds the life back to it. In my opinion, it's like a souped up, better version of Old English polish. It is tinted, so you will see me take a secondary rag and go over the chair, especially where you're going to sit, because you don't want it to transfer to your clothing. But I can tell you it made my chairs look really nice and clean and bright and shiny. And I think it does a fabulous job. I use it on all of my wood, and I do it every couple months. It really just kind of adds the life right back to it. Not only am I going to do my chairs and the legs and the spindles on those, but I'm also going to do the legs on the actual table. It does take a little bit of time to work it into the wood, but it's time well spent because the outcome is amazing. I did want to add that this kitchen table was one of the first pieces of furniture that my mom and dad purchased when they married. They have been married over 50 years, and you can't find a lot of furniture that holds up today like this table holds up. And so this is why I spend so much time treating it and appreciating it, because it is a very big sentimental piece of furniture in my house. I just got dinner over with, and my towels, which is my last load of laundry, just got done. I'm going to quickly fold these. I'm going to go take me a hot bath. I'm going to go to bed because I am wore out. I will tell you, being a homemaker, you put a lot of love into your family and into your home. And at the end of the day, you are ready. You're ready to zonk out. I hope you all felt motivated by watching this and inspired. And I hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button because I would love to have you a part of Heidi's Home. Have a fantastic week.